Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ajador's boyfriend here, Will. Follow me. I'm gonna make a channel real soon. We're gonna put that down at the bottom. But we're here with my second retwist. We're just gonna show you a little quick wash video. As you can see, she is dampening my hair, making sure to get all the parts of it, and then she's gonna use some Shea moisture shampoo and conditioner here. She's gonna pat around, use a circular motion, switchy swashy around there. First wash, of course, is for getting out some dirt and stuff like that, things of that nature. It's not really going to be super sudsy, We'll come back for that in the second wash around, So if you need to use some more shampoo, go ahead and do that. You make sure you're getting all sides of the head, Some people's hair is bigger than others. Not mine, of course, but, I'm just saying. Of course, she's a little short here, so she's struggling a little bit. Y'all forgive her, please. All right, so after you get finish using your shampoo, you want to go ahead and rinse it. Make sure you get all the shampoo out, of course, and then you're going to come back for a second wash of the shampoo. Now, this time, it's going to get super sudsy. Make sure that you're getting everything, all that dirt and that grimy stuff all out of your hair, of course. Now, you can't really tell, but make sure you're getting all on the sides of it. Like I said, she's kind of short, so she's struggling to see all over there. But, gotta make sure you get around there and make sure that you're being careful that you're not getting soap in your client's eyes. So make sure they're covering their eyes. And, of course, you can see we have the towel back there to protect from the water and the shampoo. After the second wash, we're going to make sure that we're getting all the shampoo out of there because you don't want any shampoo in there when you're going to condition your hair. Now, the conditioner is used to condition your hair, of course, and to get out the tangles, but we want your hair to lock, so don't comb through the hair. We're just going to pat it, of course, as we put the conditioner in there. Just make sure you get all this stuff out your hair, basically. Golly, it's not that difficult. But thanks for watching. And if you want to see the first retwist video, you can check down below. Also, I'm still working on making this channel, so I'll keep y'all updated. We're going to put that down below, too. And make sure you click that notification, subscribe, all that good stuff. Y'all know stuff people say at the end of the video. Thank y'all. Ajador, all things here. We out.